Now the fourth question of exercise 13.1 of 10th class. A cubical block of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. So first of all we'll draw a cubical block. Whose all faces are whose all faces are square. And the side of this block is 7. All sides are 7. Length, breadth and height all are 7. Surmounted by a hemisphere. So surmounted by a hemisphere, so we need this is the hemisphere that is surmounted. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? You can see that diameter of this hemisphere is equal to the side of this cube. So we can write diameter of hemisphere is equals to the side of cube, which is equals to 7 cm. So radius is equals to 7 by 2 cm. Now we need to find out the surface area of the solid. Surface area, the meaning of surface area is whenever there are combination of figures, the meaning of surface area is the area exposed in front of us. So you can see that total surface area of cube, this cubical block. Why? Because when we keep a hemispherical bowl or something over it, then this part also is exposed. This part is exposed in front of us. And this whole part is covered. So total surface area of cube, because of the last phase, if I draw this last phase only, means the upper phase of this cube, this is exposed, so it means we can the meaning of to find out the surface area means that we can paint each and every corner that is exposed in front of us. You have to keep this thing in mind, that whenever the question of surface area of combination of figures is there, you need to think that you are painting that figure, each and every corner of that figure. So this portion we can paint and all 5 surfaces we can paint. It means total surface of area of cube we can paint, plus this part also we can paint. If on a cubical block we keep some round figure or a hemisphere, then this part we can paint, which is curved surface area of hemisphere. And when we keep this hemisphere on this upper face, this part we cannot paint, this one. Because if we keep something on this surface, a round figure just like a hemispherical bowl, we cannot paint this part. So we will minus area of circular region. You can do this activity and you can find out. The total surface area of cube means all the 6 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the back one, and this upper face 6. Why 6? Because this part of the upper face we can paint. So total surface area of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere. We can paint this part also. So curved surface area of hemisphere minus, if we keep something over it, So the portion which is below this, we cannot paint, and that portion is area of circular region. Now write down the formula. Is 6 side square plus 2 pi RH minus pi r square. Putting all the values, side is 7, 2 pi, curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, minus pi r square is only pi r square. So putting all the values, 6 into 7 plus 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. So this is 77 by 2 and this answer is 294. And after taking LCM and solving, we will get answer as 332.5 centimeter square. Our next question is also same as this one. The difference only is that we are making hemispherical depression. The same figure, a cubical wooden block whose side is L. This time it is L, not 7, and diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube, and if this is the side, then this hemispherical depression we are taking out. This hemispherical portion is carved out, you can say, or cut out. So same formula will apply here. Diameter of hemisphere is equals to side of cube is equals to L. So radius is equals to L by 2. Area, surface area of the remaining solid. So surface area, whenever the word remaining is there, student minus the area. What they do? They subtract surface area of cube minus surface area of hemisphere. But this is the case of volume, not the surface area. Whenever surface area word is there, and then you need to check the exposed area in front of us. So here the exposed area is total surface area of total surface area of cube plus all these surfaces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This back one is 5, and this upper face also, this portion we can paint. So total surface area of cube plus this part we can paint. This part, if you can see this part, because this is like a hollow, just like if ice cream is in the shape of cube and we take out a scoop, hemispherical scoop like this, so depression is formed, and this depression also we can paint. So this is curved surface area of hemisphere, and minus this part is out from this upper face, so minus area of circular region. Means in the previous question the bowl was upside down, and in this case the bowl is like this, but the formula is same in both the cases. So total surface area of cube here is 6 side square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, same formula as we have applied in the previous question. So this is equals to 6 into L square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square is 1 pi r square. So 6 L square plus pi as it is you can keep because variables are there in this question, and this is L by 2 square So this is equals to 6l square plus pi l square by 4. After taking common l square and 4 and taking LCM, you will get 24 plus pi. It's 6, 4 is 24, l square is common. So pi by 4 is also common in the denominator. So this is the final answer. You can leave your answer here. No need to put the value of pi. Thank you.